In this video, we're going to go ahead and show you how to install the blower motor on your Nissan Frontier, located underneath the passenger side of the dashboard. Now, to gain access to our blower motor, it's up underneath the passenger side of the dash. Now, most of it is accessible. However, the kick panel has to pop off. It's just a plastic cover. In order to pop that off, well, we have to pull the sill plate. So go ahead and grab that sill plate and just gently pull outward. And you're just going to undo some plastic clips supporting this in place. Pop it off, set it aside. Here's a kick panel right here, and we're going to use our trim tool to go ahead and pop this button off. Now that we have that off, we're going to grab the panel and tug it. There's two clips right here holding it. Now that we have the cover off, we have the blower motor right up here, and we're going to disconnect the electrical connector, going to the blower motor next. Now right here is the electrical connector, and there's a spot right here you can press up on. If you can't get your finger in there, you can use a small pocket screwdriver. You're going to push up on the tab and grab the connector and pull that out. Now there are 3 screws holding this. There's 1, 2, and then this third one in the back over there. Now these are generally a 5.5, or you can use a 7/32 socket on this. I'm going to go ahead and loosen and remove these here. Super simple, just using my 1/4-inch ratchet on this. Plenty of room to get to it. Go ahead and grab that blower motor. We should be able to wiggle that out. There we go. Slowly lower that down and remove it from the vehicle. Take your new blower motor, get and slide that over and get that up into place. Feed that up inside. Line that up. And it's ideal if we can go ahead and get one of these screws started here. And then I'll try and get one put in the back over there. I'm not going to tighten these yet. I just want to get them run up a bit. And then I'll go ahead and pop that last one in. And once we get that third one started, we can go ahead and zip them all down, get them all tight. All right, once that bottom's out, just snug it a little bit more. They don't have to be super tight. You just want them to be in there snug. You'll feel it bottom out. And then we'll do the same for the last one here. Go ahead and grab your electrical connector, line that up, push that in. You'll feel it and hear it clip into place. Let's go ahead and install our trim panels. We're going to install our trim panel here. Now here's the inside of it, and there's going to be a tab on the bottom here, and there's going to be one on the top that will actually engage inside. So get this little button to line up over here. And we have our trim button here that we had popped off. Simply line that up and press that into place. Go ahead and install your trim here. Line this up. Now that you have your sill panel installed, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.